Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to counter enemy ultimates with defensive ultimates in Overwatch. Lucius Sound Barrier. Time it to absorb high burst damage ultimates like Genji's Dragon Blade or Pharah's Barrage. Zenyatta's Transcendence. Use it to counter Graviton Surge, Dragon Blade, or Tactical Visor to heal through sustained damage. Bridget Rally. Build up armor to mitigate incoming damage from ultimates like Dragon Blade or Whole Hog. Mercy's Valkyrie. Use the ability to dodge ultimates like Earth Shatter or Self-Destruct. Moira's Coalescence. Heal through damage from Graviton Surge or Whole Hog while dealing damage. Baptiste Amplification Matrix. Amplify healing to counter damage from ultimates like Dragon Strike or Blizzard. Anna's Nano Boost. Boost a tank or DPS to increase survivability during enemy ultimates. Orisa's Supercharger. Boost team damage output to quickly neutralize enemies using ultimates. Reinhardt's Earth Shatter. Use it to stun enemy ultimates like Dragon Blade or Whole Hog. Sigma's Gravitic Flux. Leave enemies using ultimates like Dragon Blade or Tactical Visor to disrupt their aim. Winston's Primal Rage. Knock away enemies using ultimates like Tactical Visor or Death Blossom. Diva's Defense Matrix. Eat projectiles from ultimates like Graviton Surge or Self-Destruct to nullify their impact. And that's how to counter enemy ultimates with defensive ultimates in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.